Signals consists of many datasets and contains both snapshots as such and a temporal comparison between them. A snapshot describes 1 year's data, and in the comparison it is mirrored to the next year's equivalent. You can move between years by choosing the time you want from the bottom row. Signals describes a change and trends in time. Signals shows the found change in colors on the concept map. By the detected trends, Signals also shows a forecast to the future. You can zoom the map by mouse scroll wheel and move the whole map by clicking and dragging. By moving the mouse cursor on the map, it is possible to see the connections between the concepts, even further away. When the cursor is on the concept, the map shows all the relevant connections. On the top right corner, you will find a legend which tells you how to read the colors on the map. The colors indicate the development of the concept during the described years. When you click on a concept on the map, you will see a diagram that shows the value of the concept annually. In this example, customer meetings is on the rise. However, grant applications seem to be decreasing. The last map describes a forecast to the future based on the development during the previous years.